So, hello everyone. I'm back with this live. So, today is day 50 and I'm on a journey of 366-day live journey. So, I welcome all of you on my live. So, before starting this live, I want to recap my day. So, today day it was kind of productive and I also learned through like wow, I will be making my project, my startup on the live ID project. Okay. So initially I thought that I can make this project by using a BS code library of the web. So I thought like by that only I can make this project, but I was wrong, my friend. So I need to learn Express Node. So I have already learned Express, but I need to learn more. Okay, so I need to learn Docker, Kubernetes, and Stream like Socket.io because like I still don't know the workflow of this app, but somehow I know the 40% kind of thing. So when a person comes to my site and there will be a button of create React app. So when he clicks on the create React app, that npm run build code will be uh, sent to the server. So on the server we will create a new instance of that user. So on that instance of the user he can perform like all those activities. So we will be using socket.io for the live communication between the server and the like client side. So we are giving terminal also. And what I found out was while giving a terminal like direct access to the server, yeah, so there can go a bunch of security issues. So I'm focusing on making from the X drums JS. So there is one library so where I can make a custom terminal for that. So Raul bro, yeah, so you can say me and I will also listen to your voice message just a second, and I will share you the code like you asked about like how I am implementing loop or like how I am making like how I'm actually using arrays on the real project. Yeah, okay, I have sent. Okay, so just a second. Okay, I will mute this live. So from your message, what I want to say is, so you are asking me like when you see some particular site, so you want to be able to create that site from like in the front end, yeah. But on the maximum of the web, so they are using some kind of libraries. Okay, so React, Angular, Vue, or other thing also. So what is happening is you have learned your JavaScript, your HTML, CSS, but to implement JavaScript with its more power and with it like loop array, all the things, you will need a library at the front end. Absolutely, you will need. Yeah, you can create a small kind of site, but that will be only kind of static site. Okay, so I think you got my point. Okay, so you can create like beautiful UI kind of just static site from the HTML, CSS, and with some JS. But if you want to build some project when you see like a Facebook or like UI from the front end perspective, so there you have to use some kind of libraries. RK bro, oh same your long no see Biraj, long time. Yeah, like my lifetime was kind of messed up. Like I was coming live, but that was about 4 5 hour ago or 4 5 hour before. But right now I'm fixed like there was something going on in my life. But and now everything is settled. So I will be coming live on this time. Okay, so another thing is, let me share you my code. Okay, and bro, like, so you said about making to do app, yeah. So on the to do app, you are basically to say on a small level, you are creating a state, and you are doing kind of prod like on the to do. So you have created a to do, you have updated, you have deleted, so you are mutating a state. So basically you are doing kind of state manipulation. So you can do that from the JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript also, only JS also. But that will be just like a pain in ass, because you have to write much more code, and there will be a lot of problem. But you can just using a simple library at the like React, or like a framework like a Vue. And like Vue is also very great framework, so I'm also learning right now Vue for my office work. But as a front-end developer, you should have a kind of one library. And about the logic implementation, so okay, let me share you something, small thing. Okay, so at my office nowadays, so at the start of my journey, so I used to have a lot of like confusion state. So how I'm going to use like what, like I didn't know what I was doing on that job also, yeah. But right now, if someone says, okay, so you have set a user login, so when you sign up, your token is stored at your local on your browser, yeah. So there is one application on a storage. So the on the Chrome browser there is one storage. So on this storage, your token is stored to make sure that you are like log in or log out. So that is also a logic. Okay, so just by practicing more like daily, like that logic will automatically come. Like you will know, like, okay, so on that part I need to select like I need to one make state, and from that state I need to filter out. So before actually programming also, you will be have kind of sense like what you are actually doing. Like I'm totally being honest. Okay, so let me share you my screen also. So there are bunch of like logic I have implemented. Okay, so let me, I think my screen is here. Okay. The main thing is logic will be automatically come if you do like many project. And first of all, I will highly suggest you to check it out some framework. Okay, so you told about me about I have learned everything, yeah, like JavaScript, like async also. But where I will be actually implementing, yeah. So OTP, OTP. So okay, I will show you one thing. So okay, so you can see I'm using async here on the submit, on the button I have created on submit. So when a person clicks his button, the value will be go, and first of all set at the set low adding true. Then the data will get this get data all the values, and it will check the status is success or not. If the success, then there will be a console log, and the token and the user will be set at the local storage from the like data dot user that is coming from my backend API. So like this will be logic you will automatically know, bro. Like, so I was doing this project. Yes, okay, can I show you like how much I have far come on this project? Okay, so we are like about 60 to 70% complete on this project. And another thing I want to show you is, you told about those loops, yeah, like where I will be actually implementing the loops. So okay, so for that the best I think, yeah, that is in here, this login page. Okay, login, yeah, this one. So okay, bro, so I have three images here. So I have one image, and I have width, height, alt and paragraph, okay, and I want to make a loop, like a custom kind of loop, okay. So I'm using use effect for one time, and it will only load at the first time, and it will like make a kind of sliding effect, okay. So I'm using that here also. And another best way I can show you is at the attendance page, okay. So on this attendance page, on the table, so okay here, bro. So let me show you the code here actually, okay. uh so the code is here, okay. So I have filtered it, okay, and I'm making a slice, like I'm making a pagination. So my there will be a row per page, and what I'm doing is I am looping it, like how many data I have from here. I'm making just a loop here, like you can see at the table, company table also. So this is the code, yeah. Like I think my screen is viewable or not, I don't know. Yeah, yes, bro. Like it's like OTP. So okay, so I can show you here, okay, my code. So first of all, I'm making kind of state for everything, and what I'm doing is I'm making a filter, like JavaScript. So you are actually using your JavaScript knowledge here. So you are making like lowercase and includes filter and target dot values. And if I have deleted the company, then it will say deleted successful kind of way, and that loop actually will be here. So what I'm doing is I'm passing one ID and I'm looping it. So let me show you from my code running, okay. So this is, so you can see this photo is being swipe, yeah. So I'm making a custom UI for this, okay. So when I click login, the it will send me to the login screen, and I will set your phone number, yeah, and it will give me OTP. Like this OTP will become on the mobile phone, but right now I'm using it in the web, okay. So when I do it like verify, okay, so it will take some time, and okay, so you can see I'm getting this data, okay. This like I can update the photo also here. So I can update the photo, and it is kind of live, okay. Update. So you can see profile updated successfully. So I'm making it a request on the backend. So if I have to show you, like, so if you go on this and on the network, so if you hit control R, okay, so what is happening is, first of all, my state are loading on my site, okay. And here I'm getting a get profile API. So on this get profile API, I'm getting the data like ID, name, phone number, address, and the photos. And this photo I'm making it viewable on this site, and I'm looping it here. So that's the main thing I wanted to say. So if you click on the prof company, yeah, so it will show you the company. So I have implemented all, yeah. So from the back end I'm getting this, okay. So let me show you. I'm like this all companies I'm getting from the back end. So there is QR code also, yeah. So let me hit control R, so it will load again. So there is this profile, there is this employer companies, is like getting data from the backend, okay. So from the backend what I'm getting is I'm getting one ID, one company saying William company code and this company. So I'm getting kind of six company, I think, yeah, here. So what I'm doing is I'm looping is name, like this name at this year, so this code at here, and like I'm using this employee count at here. So I'm making a loop here. So you use your all your JavaScript knowledge here. So I'm making kind of filter also here. You can make from the department, you can search, if you go on the COT, so this code will come, yeah. So I have created this custom way. So there is this active companies also. So if you go on this like company which has eight employee, yeah, and I have created this full site alone, like. So if you go on this, so first of all it will check like I have employee, yes or no, and it will see, okay, so I have the employee, so I have like state, like active state, in inactive state, and verified or not. Like I can delete the employee also, I can change it state, I can edit, I can send request. So, and on the attendance, if you click on the attendance, then there will be this attendance coming from the backend, so you are looping it here also. So if you click on the software, so you told about like all those filtered you have learned, yeah. So on the software there is two companies, two employee only showing. In the all, they are all companies showing. So you will actually use with this some kind of front end knowledge, like from like at the framework, okay. So and you said about that ES6 and ES7, yeah. So like that is like kind of on the 2016 or 2017 JavaScript had a like big update on their programming. Okay, I'm getting scared after watching this much functionality on the website, bro. You know lot of things. Hello. So no, like I also didn't knew this all of thing, but like okay. So first of all, I want to say you a small thing. Okay, you learn very much quickly and fast when you really need to learn. Like if there is kind of a situation where you have to actually learn it, yeah. Like on my office, I was hired as a developer, and my responsibility was to give them damn website, yeah. And they asked me this kind of functionality. Before also I didn't knew anything, but when I had to do it. Like there was no option. Like I can't say like I don't know how to code, so I'm like leaving the company. I can't say, yeah. So there was a situation I have to do it. So when you are on that situation, like you like really learn like the hard problem also. But if you have time and like if you, okay, so I'm learning this tech stack. I'm learning this thing, but it will take some time. So I'm learning on my flow. And if you don't have a constant pressure in your head, okay, so each time you are thinking about how will I make this, how will I make this, so you are not really learning fast. But if you have some kind of pressure, then you will learn it so much rapidly. Because I had some things to do, and I didn't complete it, yeah. So I did on my holiday. I was doing my company work because I have to learn it and I have to do it. So like try um, challenging yourself with saying like, okay, I will create this website, this clone. So what is the advice for me now, bro? Like I will give you total honesty, okay. So you said about that ES6 and ES7 there was some theory, yeah. So I will highly suggest you, so my screen is sharing, yeah. ES7. So on the ES7 we are using let me just show you here, bro. And like the main thing for me is like I'm still not getting 1 point from you. Like still I'm like kind of not fully satisfied. One thing is you want to be a front end developer, yeah, and you are learning HTML CSS. You know HTML CSS, yeah. So you take a high, bro. So and you also said that I have learned JavaScript, so I know the filter, array, map, loop, async, yeah. So what is holding you to not start React? Like I'm not getting this point. Like people learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript to go and start React project. Like before React, you should know fundamental these things, so you can jump to the React, yeah. And you know HTML, CSS, JavaScript also. Then what is holding you to not start React? Because nowadays not like every company will hire some of developer who knows kind of one library or a framework. Like I'm not getting this point still. Like you have known JavaScript, so why you are not starting some libraries or framework? So that's my advice kind of thing, that just try it, man. You already know JavaScript, yeah, so like why are you not using React or other thing? And when you use React, then you will actually understand that I learned so much JavaScript, but only small portion of that JavaScript is actually being implemented on the real side. And there are a bunch of libraries also to make it your work easy. Yeah. So try to think on that way, and first of all question yourself that why I even started HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, because I wanted to make some website at the front end or the back end. Yeah, at the basically front end. So if I started this journey to become a front end developer, and a front end developer creates a website which has nice UI, which has functionalities, so I should be choose one language and go through it. Or either you can become not a web developer but web designer by knowing HTML, CSS, and some JS, and you will create a beautiful like static site. Like there will be some animation, there will be the text, color. Like you will have to know like how the color will match at your website, so you can go that path also by knowing HTML, CSS, and just JavaScript. But you will be as a web designer, not a developer. Like I'm not fully confident about JS. Why? Yes, this is the thing. I have learned the JS deep thing, but from the Chai or Code. Yeah, like bro, I have also watched Chai or Code JS once more. Like I have already learned, yeah, JS, but I still watch this because he really explained the JS like so beautifully. So I learned it again, and I think like only learning one time JS will not kind of give you. So it's like a process every time learning kind of thing. And to be honest, I'm still not confident at the JS. I'm still learning, and and my mindset is I still need to learn JS. I'm not perfect or JS, I know, but I'm learning, and I'm making some kind of UI that I know like how I am making. So that's it. Like you don't have to feel confident to start a project also, because no one feels confident to jump from the airplane from the parachute. You just jump kind of situation is there. Because if you feel like confident on JS, then you are a next level developer, because JS is everything. Yeah, so at the Angular, React, Vue, everything there is JS. And the at the back end also there is the JS, like Node Express. So if you are confident on the JS, then you are like a full stack developer, because you will know all that Java like backend JS code. So how this backend JS code is working, you don't need to feel any confident on JS. You have learned enough JS from my perspective, because I was learning. I was seeing your LinkedIn journey, like you were making a small video and capturing it. Yeah, so I really like that. So you are ready to go. Just start it. Don't feel like I need to learn so much. Just start it. Like pick React from my choice. You can choose Angular, Vue also, but just choose React from the Chai or code and do all those website. And by learning React also, you will not be like a developer kind of front end developer. You need to learn some kind of state management thing, like a Redux or React query. And there is still like Tailwind and Material UI, and like how this socket.io, like there are bunch of way to learn. So just pick a small project and use. Yeah, should I start React? Yeah, right now start React. Like bro, like I have told you already also one time that give it a try at a React, make a small project or watch a full tutorial on the React, and you will understand like those JavaScript you were learning up to now, how they are actually implemented. Because like if I'm the owner of the company, and if someone only knows like SMCS Java JS, like I will try to hire him as an intern, so I can teach him some libraries, React, Angular, and I can give him work. but without library there will be nothing work to do on the company. So that's my thinking, like I'm being totally honest. Like I will hire but as an intern, and I will teach him like React any framework. But just like HTML CSS JavaScript, like I can't make like the chat GPT also now can make some like basic, yeah, but I need a developer who can use some libraries to build some logic after doing so many times. And if you go on a company and if you have already implemented that to do kind of thing, yeah, so at that company you can say, okay, so from my logic I think we can make from like this. That logic is coming from the experience as a mistake, or as knowing from the YouTube or watching documentation, like reading documentation. That logic is coming by the experience, like not just seeing a random problem and okay, so I know this. So you have actually tried it at your home or somewhere, so at the next time when you see that problem, so you will recall, and that is the logic from my perspective. Bro, I have pressure. I will share something needs to you, then you will learn. I'm doing coding 6 hours every day. You can imagine how much I'm doing, but maybe my pressure is not good. Yeah, like yes, bro. Like I know you are doing 6 hour coding. That's great, and but yeah, like just like don't take it too seriously, too pressure also. uh, just start React and start your new journey as a React developer. You will understand each and everything, and you will feel like okay, so that was the thing I was missing. Don't take pressure, and yeah, just start React. So you will clear all your logic concept, your all your how the loops array sync are really implemented, and how much jazz is only needed. Why I was learning so much jazz that is never going to be never I'm going to work. So you will understand all those things. So just focus on the React, and that is I want to say. So that much. So let me learn and do research about this new project I'm building. So I need to learn Docker, so I need to learn DevOps, and I need to learn Express kind of there is something my mind is going. So I'm thinking so I will be my architecture, okay. So at the front end I will be using React Next.js. So my styling, like I'm not too much worried about front end part because I can create that, but I'm too much worried about that Express kind of thing. So I need to check it out, like how actually the things really is built. Okay, sure. Thank you so much for this much effort. Yeah, bro. Like I'm always there for you, bro. Like, and we said we will have talk on the Monday, but there was some internet problem, so we were not able to face a video call. Yeah, that's fine. But this time, like, we had a plan to do Monday call and to discuss about this one. Yeah, so I'm okay to share. Like, I'm okay to give much time if you need, but I think you have some clarification that you have learned so much. That's a basic thing for a developer, because sometimes I also feel like I don't know just sometime. I still don't know just sometime. So that's the thing. So, so I got one certificate from the quantum. Okay, so I don't recall this like when I did this exam also, because I was doing so much thing, yeah, and I forgot it that I had a certificate about kind of this thing also. Q Margari workshop diploma for successfully completing the self-study module quantum key distribution during Q class 23 to 24, covering classical cryptography and compromise security, quantum based leading to quantum cryptography. Okay, yeah, that time I did this project on the January. Yeah, yeah. So I now recall. Okay. Hmm. So tomorrow at this office, I need to do all those things, bro. Okay, and yeah, before starting React, learn ES6, ES7, and you told me about you have learned bunch of jazz, yeah, but and why you said me about that ES6, ES6? I'm confused on that part because you need to learn app, map, reduce, filter, what is arrow function, what is kind of arrow function, and slice, how can you pop, like those kind of thing, and what is the key on a loop. So learn those things and just start React. Or while you're learning React also, you will have to know those things, so you will come back at the React and learn those basic things that you really need at the React. So that is the way to go. And I have to sleep, and tell me please your exact time. I will attend your live. So yeah, like I'm being focused and really serious. So at the India time, it is kind of 15-minute difference, yeah. So is day, I will come at 11:30. So before 11:30 I can come at the live, but at the 11:30 I will be at the live. So that is my commitment, because I can say exactly at the same time because sometimes something happens. But I will be live at the 11:30 each day. So that's my commitment. So sometimes can happen something, but my basic commitment is I will be at this time. So okay, bro. Mm, why, bro? Like, okay, so what happened, bro? Mm. And also I think there is coming a React new version. Bro, you are saying me about like so you will learn React, JavaScript so much, and you will go at the React. You will forget bunch of thing at the JS and learn new thing at the React. And when you go at the next JS, you will learn bunch of thing in the next JS and forget some of the things in the React. That is happening to me. On the React, I learned all those hooks, but right now I'm not using those hooks also. I'm using the functionality that is given by the Next.js. So learn it, implement it, learn a new thing, implement it. Bro, could you please come at 11? It's my sleep time, 11:30. That's why. Okay, okay, like I can come. But yeah, like when I am doing my assignment, yeah, like it can take some time. So that's why. That's why. Okay, so but I will try to come. Okay, sure, bro. I will give my best to come at the 11. So that will mean at your 11:15. So yeah, I can commit at the 11:15. So React 19 is coming, bro. You can see React compiler is no longer a research project. The compiler now powers Instagram.com in production. So you can see how much React is really being used at the production at the big companies. 44 Chan, yo, bro. So I do recall you, but I'm not sure. Are you that app guy? Like you are like app developer, yeah? And bro, like Raul bro, so while learning React, for all of this React documentation, it is totally damn good, bro. Like when I was learning React, like I didn't add this documentation. Okay, so I add the previous documentation, which was not good, like compared to this. Oh, RTK query guy. Okay, okay, okay. So let me see. So okay, so how I am using RTK query? Okay, so I have created one API.js. Okay, so on that, on the is the request, you can see, uh I am setting a new header also. So I'm doing kind of employee registration, employee verify, profile update, get profile, get OTP, employee, company, update company, delete, update status, get active, invite, delete, assign, everywhere, all those things. And still I need to add many APIs on the RTK query. And I don't know, like my this way is good or wrong. I don't know, like and how I'm using it is also like I'm just taking it at the constant. I'm just on the summit, I'm just giving it value, and I'm just make sharing, like okay, you can see it here. So when I'm trying to do like handle status, so I have to give a new status key. So I'm giving inactive, and wait, and just giving it kind of thing I'm doing. And I'm really thankful for that day, bro. Like it really helped me. I think I used where I think mm, on the no, I think where I used that is pro company. Yeah, but yeah, there was some pages where I implemented this also. The file is too big to convert it to some component or hook. Bro, look, like which one are you saying? So which one? Like yeah. So about this attendance table, so I will be converting it to more smaller component, because at the initial I used like mock data, but I just recently got this API from the backend developer, so I will be doing that. And yeah, like bro, I need to make it a small reusable component, but I'm also making some of the component here, because on you can see I have started making the components, like there is one common, so I'm at the common, I'm making the hamburger custom button, so I can use it many time. And I'm also making like QR. And one thing I really made a like nice way is on the test profile. Okay, so on the test profile, what I did was, so I had a one test profile card, and I'm passing the value to this like profile dialog. And on the profile dialog there is one button which lets you to edit the data from the like profile. Yeah, so I have that on the here. So yeah, still the file are big, but I'm having so much hard trying to like convert it into a small reusable component, because I have no experience doing that also. And when I code, first of all, my priority is it should work. Okay, so it should work. So my supervisor or my project manager can know that it is working. So because I'm just starting at this development side, yeah. So I'm not able to convert it on a small code basis, but I will try my best to do it. And after some experience, it will come naturally to me, I think. So that is clear, okay. And guys, like I'm on a 366-day live journey, so I'm at the day 50. So I'm truly proud of myself, and I'm happy to say that I have completed day 50, like 50 day of coming live and sharing my journey. So if you want to be a part of this journey, then hope you subscribe to this channel, because from the January to December I will have my how much I was able to upgrade on my development or on my life in general. So if you really want to be a part of this journey, so smack that subscribe button. So that's being said, so I'm doing this project. Okay, so I'm starting one project, and I think on the some days live before I also said you about I'm making one project where as a you can go to that site, you will create your account, and you can start a create React tab on the browser. So when you click at the button, you are given a small terminal or live view of your app, like you are making website you are making, and a code editor. And at the first, what I thought was I can make that simply by using Monaco BS code. Okay, so this Monaco BS code is powered by the like Microsoft and the BS code. So I thought by using this I can create React app, but I was totally wrong. Because when I talked with my like backend developer, my DevOps, sorry, yeah, so he said me that when a user comes and clicks at the React create React app, yeah, so that command I need to send it to the like a backend, and it will create kind of a instance, like a sandbox, where that user like session is being running, and on that server there will be the actual code compiler. Okay, and I need to use socket so to sync the user client side at the server. And I need to learn Docker, I need to learn Kubernetes, and I need to learn sockets. So I'm learning that on my live, and I will try to make this project, and I don't care about how much time it will take. It can take me 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, I don't give a damn, but I will try to make this project. That's I really want to do. What you have to do is, so like basically if you say, so there is this replit, yeah. So on the replit you can go, you can create replit, you can create React, yeah. So basically guys, I want to create this kind of thing where it will have a file. So it is running on a server, obviously. So on one kind of Kubernetes kind of Docker setup, because it should be secure also. Because if someone comes at the sale and he can ls, so or you can I go back, yeah, and ls. So like we can from this, like we are actually giving a remote sale execution, yeah. So he can do anything. So I want to make this like where you can actually code. So I really want to make this project, and when you click the run, then it should run, and it should run on a separate kind of way. So I want to make this project, and I don't care about how much it will time it will take. What you have to do is first have server running with a CRA template of a sandbox. Okay, and then you get back the result, and so in the browser you can start with a simple repeat. Yes bro, like what I found out there, so I have like Azure $150, yeah. So I will use Azure. Okay, so so what is happening, like from my concept is, if I click on the React create React app, so on my cloud, on my storage, there will be a simple setup of just a starter file of the React. So it will copy that file, and it will load on that instance of that sandbox or that virtual machine of that user, yeah. So the code will run there, yeah. So I'm just getting a small architecture view. Still I need to do research on this, like how it is actually implemented. And how I'm going on this project is, I'm not making first UI and going through it. First of all, I will see how this is made. So what are the things I need to be focusing on, and I will go through the approach of functional way. So if a person like you comes to my side, then what kind of functionality I will give to you. So on that basis of the functionality, I will create the UI. And basically the main thing is I'm worried about this not a front end like kind of. So this button, this UI, I can make it, and I have some kind of confident also. But my main problem is making how this really works at the backend server. Okay, bro. Thank you so much for your effort and give me the solution. You are like a leader. Thank you so much. Now I have to sleep. Okay, take bro. Good night. And sorry, I'm not able to attend. No, bro. It's okay. Take your time and have a great sleep, bro. So I really want to make this side, but still I'm so much worried about, like, I have never worked with the Docker and I have never learned Kubernetes. Like I know the basic thing by watching some videos. That's all. I think all of you guys know like what a containeri- containerization is, how it separates your code from your actual machine. Like that's kind of small thing, yeah. But I don't know about how it is actually being used. So I need to learn Docker, Kubernetes, and I need to run so many commands. Yeah, like npm run, dev, npm build. So I will be learning Docker, Kubernetes. That's my thing. Okay, and I still have this. Yeah, okay. So I just want to check something. Okay, I don't know why, but something is going on my mind. So, bro, what was I was doing? I just exposed my tokens. Bro, what is wrong with me? Like today I worked with this token kind of thing on my job. Okay, so I was so curious about how they are actually doing that. So yes, bro, I will be learning it. So I think I have some course at the Udemy about the cloud. Okay. So you guys, where are you coming from? Can we talk? Hai पुतली चाहिँ नानारङ्गी कटकै मन खाने है कटकै मन खाने लाउन कट खाने. So okay. So guys, I'm not making my live screen because I'm accessing my kind of thing, like my private thing, like my courses at the Udemy, and there are some credentials that I don't want to expose. So basically, if you are guys new to this channel, then I'm on a 366-day live journey. So I'm currently on day 50. So you can subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos and the live. So just a second, I will share my screen. But like right now, I'm making one website, like a kind of startup kind of thing. Yeah. Hello, bro. Do you remember me? Yes, bro. Like we talked yesterday about that Java project. Yeah, but I don't got your kind of. I didn't get your message at the Instagram, bro. Like that is my fake account. Okay, like I don't use Insta so often. Yeah, like I told you. Okay, so I think now I get got. Okay, so there was my private account. Okay, okay. Sorry, bro. So that is my mistake. Okay, so I'm messaging you. Okay, I think I've just messaged you. Uh, yes, bro. You can share that on the right now also. I will look onto your project and I will see what can I do at this project, and if I need some help, then I will ask my friends, so they are like really more qualified than me on the Java because they have bunch of year of experience. I'm not that kind of pro like Java, but I know bunch of things that I can really uh if I write you project in, yeah, yes, bro, sure. Like, if you don't use LinkedIn, then yeah, you can share that on the Insta. Uh, where are you from? So where you from? So, I'm from Nepal. So I'm from a Nepal country, and I'm on a live like day 50. So I'm on a 366-day live journey. So on this throughout this year, from the January 1st to December end, I'm coming live each and every day, and I'm coming live programming, coding, learning new things, and interacting with you guys. So if you want to be a part of this journey, then subscribe this channel. And why I'm doing this live is because to I want to upgrade myself on the programming also, as well as on my personal level. You do lead code or not so much, because I'm a front-end developer. Okay, so I'm already doing job at a company. So right now I'm morely focused on development side, not on like data structure and algorithm side. But I used to do a lead code, and now like here and there, like I do lead code, but not so often. So bro, where are you from? ben Annoyed, bro. So where are you from? So like basically this live proposes from the January 1st to today, like I have never missed any day life. So I have came every day. And what I want to see is, if I give each and every day my like serious level of dedication, yeah, then on throughout the year how much I can go. So like people say, you have to be a like regular, you have to be a consistent, yeah. So I want to see if I become that kind of person, and at the 1 year timeline how far I can go. So that's my idea, so I'm doing it. And nice, okay, so bro, thanks. And where are you from, bro? Where are you from? Pizza store application. Oh, okay. The pizza ordering system is a sophisticated Java application designed to streamline the operation of a pizza store. It offers a comprehensive solution for managing pizza's orders, customer details, and menu items, while embodying the essential principles of object-oriented programming with a user development. Okay. So so this is a video, yeah, bro. So I need to watch it. So okay, after some time I will watch it. So okay, can you say me? Can you do it during the stream? Like like I need to know about like what you really want to me to do at this project. Can you explain me at the Insta also? Like, and can I watch this? Like I can watch. It is 2 minutes long, but yeah, bro, I can. Yeah, this is so on this. You have no GUI, yeah. So it is totally based on the terminal. So okay, do you want to make this project from the scratch, or you already have some code, and you want to modify, or like this video, you want to create a Java app? Like what your thing? Like what you really want to do? Like I'm confused on that. So do you want to make a same application on the Java, yeah? And what's the deadline? Because I can do it on the stream also, but I tend to come stream like about 1 to 1:30 minute, yeah, like 1.5 hour stream, and I have other things to do also, and tomorrow I have my office also. So I will try to do it at my some time, and like on my free time, basically on my free time. And if you want to do it like a kind of this is a urgent task, then we can think about that, and some kind of thing. Okay, I already started but didn't finish. If I send you my code, can you finish the project? Yes, bro. Like I will look into your code, and I will see if there is kind of small things that you can do it yourself, then I will share you how to do it. Or if there is bunch of things need to be changed, then I will code audit. So don't worry about that. So basically you want to create this pizza ordering system on the Java. I have deadline 1 hour 20 one day 20 hour. Okay. So send me your code on the Instagram and I will see. And can you just clarify me that you want to create same like a project? Yeah. Yeah, like I have Telegram. I will share you my number on the Insta, okay? So, Bennett brother, so on what part of the India are you from? Like, I'm from Nepal, but I know bunch of things. I had the India, like everything, like, uh, from the India. So हम हमको हिंदी भी बोलने आती है, हम हिंदी भी अच्छे ही बोल लेते हैं. सो दिल्ली, हाँ ओके. तो तुम दिल्ली से हो, तो हम नेपाल से, पर भी हमको हिंदी समझ में तो ज़्यादा ही आता है और सब कुछ आता है, पर बोलने में कुछ परेशानी होती है. पर हम हिंदी भी बोलता है कभी कभी. नहीं मेरे इसे बोल लेता हूँ, तो हमको हिंदी भी आती है, ओके. So, bro, yeah, you can subscribe this channel, okay, to stay tuned for this daily live. And like, and I'm making one project, okay. So right now, like, what I was actually doing is I was looking at the Docker Kubernetes because I want to learn DevOps. And so like a basic, not a basic, I want to learn like kind of best backend, because I need to use Express and Node to create instance at the server where people can come. And like, what I'm really making is you can come to my site. You will create a React app, and a React app will be created on your browser, and it will be deployed on the server. So on the server that code will be executing, and that needs to be a live, so there will be the socket for the live communication. And I need to make this app, and I really want to make this app, and I don't have like much knowledge about the DevOps and the backend, as I'm a like a front end developer. Yeah, so I know React, Next.js, like styling UI, like kind of things. And I know like how to work with the APIs, but I don't know about the backend stuff and the deploying DevOps. That was never, I have never touched that. But on this live, I'm going to learn it. I'm going to do this full project. I don't care like how much time it will take, but I'm going to make it. And why I'm making this app is, okay, so you can come at my website. You will create your profile, and there will be a kind of streak, okay. So each day you have to come at my site, and you have to do some kind of programming challenges. That can be a small, that can be big, but make sure that each and every day coming to my site and doing some coding, like making your hands dirty at the coding, can really give you benefit. Yeah, so on my app there will be like 30-day jazz challenge, 50-day ROS challenge, Golang challenge, C challenge. So there will be a bunch of programming language challenges, so you can be a part of that. And after completing that challenge, you will get the certification also. So that is kind of the system I want to make. And I have the basic picture of like what tech stack, how I'm going to use it. But at the backend and at the DevOps side, I need to do more research. And if you subscribe and if you stay tuned at this channel, then within a month or 1 2 month, I will be making this project live. I know it is totally hard for me. Like I think it is kind of a hard project in general, but I will make it. Bro, I can't send my code on Instagram because it's uncomfortable. Yeah, so I send you, bro, my number, okay? Like 9 so if you need country status, then it is my country status. And I have not shared my screen. Yeah, so yeah, you can share this on my Telegram. That's my Telegram number. Like I have sent it you. So you have 1 day 20 hours, okay. So now it is like going to be like 1 a.m. at the night. So after 30 minutes or 15 minutes, I have to go to bed. But first of all, I will see like how your pizza store application is really working. Yeah, so I will think about it, and at the tomorrow I will go to my office, and at the break i I will try to do it, and after coming home I will do it and send you the code at the Instagram or the Telegram. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, and I will send it because I'm going to end this live, and I don't want you to be like not sure about this thing. Let me check my Telegram. Okay, can you give me a Telegram if you have? Yeah, bro, like this is my Telegram. Okay, so I will send you link if I okay, so let me open my Telegram at my phone and I will send you link. Okay. mm, so that is my number. Okay, basically. Hello, you are froze. Yeah, bro, like my screen kind of froze. So okay, let me add you. Okay, so I'm scanning your. So do you got my text, bro? So we will communicate here, and so just make me sure that you want to create that kind of YouTube project. Yeah, so I will see that video and I will let you know like how much time it can take me, and do I need a friend on this project or not. So if I need my project, then how my friend will say about do he will say like charging some money, or will he do at the free when he is free or not. So I will confirm you that tomorrow at the after 6 7 8 hour I will text you, and we will have over there. And if I can have time, and if I can, then I will do it. Okay, bro. So I will see your bro. You are saying, bro, like, do you have okay, bro? So you are sending me code on this way, yeah? Can you send me on a repo? Like, do you have GitHub repo where you have pushed your code online? Because this way I need to again need to uh, have this code and add it, yeah. So can you do you have it? So it will be become hard for me to also see like what are you are actually doing and to work on your code. Do I need to make big changes or do I need to make a small changes so that can I can be clarified? So can you send me your GitHub? And bro, like we will have, can you copy all this code and run in your computer? So this is all of your code on a one file, or have you made like bunch of file? And I have not GitHub. uh, no, but if you add the GitHub, that will be okay. So okay, so I will check your code, and I will first of all check your code, and I will see like what the video you have sent me. Yeah, so I will check that, and I will try to see like how much big is this project. It is simple or have you made any bug or like kind of thing? And after 4 hour, I forgot I have like after some hour I will text you on the Telegram or the Insta about uh do I like the main thing is you have only 1 day and 20 hour, yeah. So on that time also there is my 8 hour work shift. So what is that? Forgot I have. So that is your GitHub. So have you pushed your code there? Can you push it like it will not take a bunch of time also, like a 5 minute? Bro, I'm still not able to find you. Okay, so let me. Yes, bro. Like I will see, and I will tell you after some hour. And if I need my friend to also work on this project, then I will ask him about how like how he will do it, because he's also a PhD guy and he's a really professional man. Okay, so I think he will charge some money, but if I have to do it, like I will do it for the free. But I need to make sure my time is also there, because tomorrow after some hour I need to go my office also. But I will try to do it. So don't worry. But you can also try it. Like don't fully depend on me. Try to do it. But after some hour I will confirm you that I can do it or not. Like I have the time and my friend can do it or not. I will make sure after, like basically. So it is like 12, so 6 7 after 7 hour, like 7 8 hour, like I will confirm you that, bro. So I will confirm you and I will look at this video. So take care, stay safe, and see you tomorrow at this live time. And for you, bro, I will text you and I will go through your code and the YouTube video. So that much for the today, guys. Thank you for joining my live and stay tuned for tomorrow video. So yeah, take care. So bye bye.